Alright, here are some new players in my collection. I got Andre Iguodala, Lou Hudson, Dennis Rodman, Larry Nance, and Cliff Robinson, and that's it. So we're going to do a pack opening right now. Let me just remove my team. Whoops. Alright, I'm here. I'm starting the pack opening right now. I got Jerry Stackhouse. No idea who that is. You can only get $250 for him. Man, I'm feeling up. I want to open up 2 golds. Oh, it wouldn't be a pack opening without that. You know, buy one more gold booster. I got 4th quarter closer. Shot 3-point. Detroit Pistons jersey. The Bucks jersey. Active hands. And I'm going to open up a purple pack. Oh, George Lynch again. Monty Williams. And I'm going to buy one more gold booster. I got the Chesapeake Energy Arena, NBA Green. Hands. Microwave. Standing dunk. And I'm going to open up 2 more purple packs. I'm going to open up 2 purple packs. Greg Smith. I bet you I can get some money for him. Maybe 12,000, I think. 10,000. Alright, so this pack opening is gonna be a little longer too. Alright, I'm gonna go sell Greg Smith and get some more VC. I'm gonna buy a purple pack. We got Cole Aldridge. He looks like a newer player. Nothing too good out of that pack. I'm just gonna buy 2 purple packs. Kim English. And here's the last purple pack. Got Larry Nance again. Wait, do I have him? I'm not sure. Yeah, I have him. Alright, so that's this pack opening. Like, comment, subscribe.